I'm going to put these simple lifestyle tips to the test and see if I can lose weight easily in just a week. I've been struggling to get in shape for a while, and I'm tired of trying fad diets that never seem to work. I've heard that making small changes to my daily routine can add up and make a big difference, so I'm excited to give it a try. Losing weight can be tough, especially when you're trying to stick to a strict diet. You might feel like you're missing out on your favorite foods, or that you're constantly hungry. Many people struggle with the idea of giving up certain foods or drinks, and it can be hard to stay motivated when you're not seeing results right away. Fad diets often promise quick fixes, but they rarely lead to sustainable weight loss. People often get caught up in the idea that they need to make drastic changes in order to lose weight. They might try to completely overhaul their diet or start an intense exercise routine, but this can be overwhelming and set them up for failure. It's easy to get discouraged when you're not seeing results, and it can be hard to stay on track when you're feeling deprived. Most people have tried a variety of different diets and weight loss methods, but they often end up feeling like they're stuck in a cycle of yo-yo dieting. They might lose weight initially, but then they gain it back as soon as they go back to their old habits. This can be frustrating and demotivating, and it can make it feel like losing weight is impossible. Drinking more water is one of the simplest and most effective ways to support weight loss. Even mild dehydration can slow down your metabolism and make you feel sluggish, so making sure you're getting enough water can make a big difference. Incorporating walking into your daily routine can also be a game changer, as it can help you build momentum and increase your energy levels. Incorporating mindful eating practices can also be really helpful. This means paying attention to your hunger and fullness cues, and eating slowly and savoring your food. It can help you develop a healthier relationship with food and reduce cravings for unhealthy snacks. By making a few small changes to your daily routine, you can start to see results and feel more confident in your ability to lose weight. Eating more protein can also be a helpful tip for weight loss. Protein takes more energy to digest than carbohydrates or fat, so it can help boost your metabolism and support weight loss. It can also help you feel fuller for longer, which can reduce cravings for unhealthy snacks. By incorporating more protein into your meals, you can start to see results and feel more confident in your ability to lose weight. One tip that can be particularly impactful is to start your day with a healthy breakfast. Eating a nutritious meal in the morning can help boost your energy levels and set you up for success throughout the day. It can also help reduce cravings for unhealthy snacks and support weight loss. By starting your day off on the right foot, you can set yourself up for success and make it easier to stick to your weight loss goals. Incorporating strength training into your routine can also be really helpful. Building muscle can help boost your metabolism and support weight loss, and it can also help you feel stronger and more confident. By challenging yourself and pushing your body to work harder, you can start to see results and feel more motivated to continue. It's all about making small changes and being consistent, and over time you can start to see big results. The key is to find a routine that works for you and stick to it. By making a few small changes to your daily routine, you can start to see results and feel more confident in your ability to lose weight. Whether it's drinking more water, incorporating walking into your daily routine, or eating more protein, every little bit counts. To sum it up, losing weight doesn't have to be hard. By making small changes to your daily routine, such as drinking more water, incorporating walking, and eating more protein, you can start to see results and feel more confident in your ability to lose weight. If you've got any tips that have worked for you, please share them in the comments below. And if you're looking for more tips on healthy habits, be sure to check out my next video for more insights.